is heavy, night is cold. Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain. Lonely whispers call your name. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Shattered dreams and broken heart, we drifted far apart.
Yeah, I see you guys. Good day, everyone. Yeah, so I want to sincerely apologize for coming late. I'm sorry. I posted my second video late, and I hope you learned something from the previous one. I'll have to start from where I stopped previously. Yeah, so I met a girl on Instagram, and we got talking for a while, and we decided to see.
Me, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. You look more beautiful than the way you look on Instagram.
Thank you.
Hi.
This is my friend. I actually couldn't come alone. You know, it's our first time meeting. One needs to be careful.
It's okay.
I'm Vera.
Kalio is my name.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what do you guys care for?
That was the beginning of my problem. I should have known from the first time it is wrong to go on a date with a third party. But I already liked what I saw. She looked so beautiful and naturally endowed, such as I like.
Nothing. We're fine. We actually want to get to the grocery store to pick a few things for ourselves.
Pick a few things.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Let's go.
Okay.
So how much?
Oh, okay.
All right, here. Thank you. Yeah. Hello? How are you? Are you home? Okay. All right. Hi.
Hello.
You're welcome to my humble abode.
It's quite nice for a single guy.
Thank you. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have wine, brandy, and whiskey.
Wine is fine.
Really? Okay, a minute, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Honestly, your place is really fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
So, back to the matter. My proposal, what do you have to say?
Honestly, I find it very weird because I never get to say yes in my past relationship.
How do you get it?
We get talking, we go on dates, we see movies and all, and that's it.
So, is this it?
I mean, why would I visit someone that's asking me out if I don't intend to say yes?
Thank you. Thank you for coming to say yes.
You're welcome. Do you want to kiss me? Do you want to kiss me?
Yes, I would.
Sister!
Lois,
Sister?
what are you doing here? Is Mama okay?
Mama is fine. I spoke with her and she said I can come and stay with you.
Why would Mama do this now? Eh? Do you want to kill me? Why would you come here without calling me?
I called you, I even chatted you on WhatsApp, but you've not
Then you should have
responded.
waited for me to reply you.
Oh, baby, it's okay now.
Babe, just stay out of it. Take. This is 10,000 naira. Use it and pay transport back to the house. Then give Mama the rest. I will let you know when I want you to come.
Abba, sister.
Baby, please, can you help me drop her at the park so she can go home? While I wait for you at home.
All right. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sister Bumi. I go tell Mama say I come your house to pursue me come out.
That won't concern you. Thank you, baby.
All right. Let's go. I'm ready.
I don't want to go.
So where do you want to go to then?
I don't know, but I don't want to go.
Well, I mean, unless you want to stay here with me, and then maybe we can go out later at night.
Yes, I'd like that. But what of my sister? Where will she be?
Your sister? Well, she's just a friend.
Okay,
I like your voice.
thank you.
Yeah. All right, so I'll just change into something comfortable, and you can change into something comfortable too.
Okay.
Feel free. Just Make yourself very comfortable. Okay?
I will. Bumi, this your guy really loves you.
Baby girl, like, have you seen me? Of course I'm a lovable person. What do you expect?
Look at you. Just look at you. Okay, so now tell me, what do you intend to do with Melvin?
He stays, every man to his use.
What's that?
Baby girl, every man gets his own use. As for me, I want to have enough money so I can take my family off that slum.
I like the sound of that. Yeah, that's the goal. But then remember that every heart has got a code.
On that, I'm not gonna lie. I have feelings for Melvin, but I'm scared. I'm scared that he's going to turn me to a homemade girlfriend, and I am not ready for it. I'm not ready to be caged by any man.
Well, if you would ask me, I think you need to personalize Kalio. Yes, give him more attention. He lives here in Port Harcourt, so I don't know why you're still dragging your legs. And as for Melvin, Melvin only comes and he goes. And you haven't even thought of visiting him in Lagos, so what are we talking about?
Yeah, I have his house address.
There you go again. There you go again. You have his house address and you've been to his house are two different things. I don't know if you understand me. They are two different things. You've never thought of visiting his place. Now let me ask you, what if you get to Lagos and you find out that he's married with kids? What will you do? Yeah. Oh yes, I always do have a point, girlfriend. Think about it.
Hello, Mama. Mama, how you doing now? Good afternoon. Mama, which one be money again now? Eh? She be give Lois money when she give you yesterday. She know dey with me. She know dey with me. She come meet me yesterday. I give her money when she carry go give you yesterday. She know dey with me, Mama. Mama, I don't hear. I go call him. I don't hear. I will call you later. She don't work out go again. I want to take find out now. Eh? She can't wahala with this.
Hello?
Hello, Melvin. What about my sister?
I dropped her off at the park. You know, she should be on the way.
No, she's not home. My mom just confirmed that she didn't get home yesterday.
I don't know, just call her on the phone. I told you I had a meeting, right? I'm actually in the meeting right now. I'm very busy.
Okay.
So let's talk later, okay?
Empty streets and hollow dreams.
Hello, Mama.
Loneliness
Me, I don't know your pikin don't carry herself waka go. I don't know. I don't try. I don't get anybody who will fit call.
a loved one's true, broken hearts and skies of blue.
I don't hear. I will send you money.
Memory lays in teary eyes, fading stars and darkened skies, promises.
The aroma coming from that kitchen is so nice. I hope it tastes as good as the aroma.
Don't try me.
Try it.
Please. Stop feeling yourself, I beg.
Okay, you go feel them now in a short while.
Yeah, allow me to taste it first.
You.
I will be the judge of that.
You.
You know?
So, did you enjoy the food?
Yeah, it was actually nice. Baby.
Yeah.
I want some money.
Money?
Mm-hmm.
But my love, okay. How much?
200,000. I want to sort something for my family.
Babe, but I gave you 200,000 naira last week. Moreover, I'm watching my spending till I get a new job.
You lost your job?
Oh yeah, last week. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
Why didn't you tell me about it?
It's nothing to worry about, okay? I already submitted my CV to other companies, so I should get a call.
Sorry about it.
I said it's nothing to worry about. Okay?
Really?
Yes.
See, my mom's shop got demolished and I want to give her some money so she can pay for a new shop. I don't want her to be calling me for money.
Demolished?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, I will squeeze out that sum for you, okay?
Oh, baby, thank you. Thank you so much. See, you're going to get a new job. I'm going to pray for you.
Mommy Gio. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
The best.
Drink up now.
Fading light in empty.
You dey speak, where you dey come from? When you dey sick, where we dey look for you? We met your sister for me, carry the walk, carry the find you. You know where you put your head, this one, get this.
Then she pushing me come out. For me, I found my own level now. And I don't come back. Mama, me, I buy plenty things for you. You don't want to see things I buy for you.
All this for me?
Like,
My daughter, Mama. All this one's for me.
this one
Not be small thing, oh, Jesus. Thank you. God will bless you for me. My pikin.
Mama, person they wait me.
Eh.
But I go run you like 100k now, Maybe take good your side.
100K! 100K! I beg my neighbors, may they go. Neighbors, they need to celebrate with us. My neighbors, when I come out, please don't have from my house. They need to thank you, my pikin. God bless you. Thank you.
I mean, they're hot.
My neighbors, so good things don't happen for my house. Make una.
So, babe, this is your new deal. What's it about?
Well, it's just a start. They need high-profile clientele that can compete in their space. A friend of mine recommended me to them, and they just couldn't wait. They had to come all the way from Lagos to Port Harcourt to meet with me.
Wow. They must have considered you a very important person in their business for them to come all the way just to see you.
Well, with all my certificates, I mean, I spent so much money to get them. Who wouldn't? My type isn't that, that much around.
I know. Maybe when are you coming back?
Soon, baby. I'll come back soon. I just have lots of meetings now that I have to attend.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. For business calls?
Yeah, I know. My bed is not going to be the same without you by my side.
With everything I've done with you on that bed, it should last you like 5 years.
Stop.
I love you too, baby. Wait, what about that thing I asked you for?
Oh, don't worry, I'm going to transfer it to you.
Thank you. You can add some little more for contingencies, Anything can come up. I'll pay you back, you know that.
Babe, stop. I mean, that's not important. What's important right now is for you to go and come back.
I know.
But now that you're in Port Harcourt, I just want to spend time with you.
You have me all to yourself, okay? I was even thinking you would probably come meet me in Lagos. Would you like to do that?
I would love that. I can't wait.
All right, let's go get something to eat, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Heart is heavy, night is cold.
Hey. How are you?
Okay, how was your meeting?
These guys won't kill me, man. But Aguocha.
You don't see him now.
So, how about you come to Lagos with me?
Lagos? You mean
Yeah. Lagos is a beautiful place. It's filled with skyscrapers, amazing architectural designs. All the celebrities are there. The nice buildings. Money is there. So let's go.
I beg, all this grammar, I don't want not to concern me, but I really like Lagos. And I can't wait to go. I want to see life.
You will see, I'm tired. So you're coming with me? Okay, so let me get out of this clothes and get comfortable.
Okay.
So you come out this one, wait for me. Just come out and
Shattered dreams and broken heart, we drifted far apart.
Babe, this your TV don't finally clear. Like say I like this, so you change them.
You know they say I change them. You know how much I buy this thing?
Hey, I talk am now. I talk am say this one clear past the former one. It makes sense.
When they compare that toy to this one,
That one na banjo na. Wait, person they call me. Clarkson. Hello? How far na, Clarkson? How you dey? I dey oh. Any better for me? Oh yeah, talk now. No, that 100K too small. I don't feel come out for 100K. Nah. I don't feel even do 200,000 naira. Oh yeah now. You go fit do 500K. No. None of my friends go even come out for 300K safe. They no go agree. Okay, I don't hear. Okay. See me see here talk.
Baby, how far now? Waiting in the talk.
You say na 300,000 naira. I mean, I beg. I know they go anywhere. I prefer to stay for my house.
Ha! Oh, me, I need that money. I broke die.
Who be this one? You broke.
You don't go understand.
You
don't go understand. They tell you, my eye dey red.
But you told me Kalio gave you over 500,000 the other day. So how come you dey broke now? You where they do other racket things to make money?
Baby, see. I dey tell you, say my eye dey red, and my eye dey red, so now my account balance dey red. I dey find money like thief. I need money. I dey use money. They do so many things. I dey talk of money. They talk of Kalio. Who be Kalio? That one that person. I beg.
This matter serious, so.
I dey tell you serious matter.
Okay. I go tell her say I get person for him now.
You go tell her.
I go tell her for you now. You know my girl now.
My girl.
You know my girl. Forget that thing, Jerry.
You know say you fit still tell her make you increase the money to 400K. You no go bad.
Who be this one? If not the 400K, it is I no go don't go since.
I be say they talk 500K. It's not 500K.
No,
I know they go.
You don't see who get money now, Shebi. You don't see. I better leave me, Jerry. How far you and Kalio yourself?
Maybe that one. That one a person. That one where I go soon throw away. I go leave am for roadside. You never see anything.
What think will happen?
Do you know that he lost his job?
Eh?
That's not the gist though. He had the guts to tell me that I am managing. I don't have money. I don't have bear with me. I am not here to manage. I don't study management science.
Try. I feel so bad for him, honestly. But you know, say that guy love you.
I know say he love me, but no be love I go chop. Oh. My dad, no be love I go chop. And besides, me, I don't even feel anything for this guy before. Now money. Now money be cocoa. And that was why I was following him. Now that there's no money, no job. What I want to can do? Yeah, on to the next one. You know the matter now, my dear.
But you know you're not being fair to that guy.
Abeg, tell me who life don't be fair to now. Eh?
Nah, Davido.
Okay, accept that.
I swear.
Oh, my
friend.
Yeah, I just ordered a taxi.
Babe, how far? You dey go for the para, but you dey go see Kalio.
Who be Kalio? That one a person. I bet when you did there, you go wait tired.
You know what I think? If you know you don't love that guy anymore, why not just tell him?
I can't. I mean, the guy has not done anything to me.
Really? So are you saying you're waiting for him to do something to you before you will let him go?
He has to give me a reason to dump him. You don't expect me to dump him just like that.
Babe, that's so unfair. You're no good.
Okay. Saint Maria, thank you. I've seen you that is changed. Was that not how you did before you left your own boyfriend?
That or there.
My friend, tell me.
Who be this one, friend? I bet come on, carry yourself. They
How
go,
do I
Jerry.
look now?
You try. You make sense.
Sorry.
I beg they go, Jerry.
See you later.
No come as empty-handed, do man no swear for you.
Trust me now. Doesn't trust me again.
I trust you. Yeah, they go. This girl, fit change. Ah, God, I just pity that Kalio guy.
Heart is heavy, night is cold. Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain. Lonely whispers call your name. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Shattered dreams and broken heart, we drifted far apart. Pieces fall, they're hard to mend. Love that seemed would never end. Pictures fade, they lose their glow. Memories, they come and go. Wishing for a brighter day.
Knocking at the door by this time. Kalio, what are you doing here? Why are you in my house so early? How did you find my house? You've never been here before.
Come on, Port Harcourt is a small city. And what happened last night? I waited for you and you never showed up.
Something came up. I'm sorry I couldn't make it.
And you couldn't also call or text?
Kalio, see, you need to leave. I will let you know when you can come, okay?
What?
Oh.
Babe, who is he?
Babe, his name is Kalio. He's my friend. I mean, you're
cheating on me, right?
No.
No, I'm out there hustling, trying to make ends meet for both of us, and you're here cheating on me with a fellow bald-headed man, right?
No.
Who the hell is he?
See, babe, actually...
Don't babe me. Who the hell is he?
Baby, actually, he's my ex and wants me back, nothing more.
Your ex wants you back?
Yes.
And he's coming to your house. He has your address. Okay, maybe you've not told him that it's over, right?
No, babe. See, I've told him before. I said I don't want this relationship, but he keeps coming back.
So he's not thinking. All right, go inside, change your clothes, wear something decent, and let's go there so it can sink in.
Babe.
Don't babe me. Go and change. Let's go there so that it can sink in. And I know you're here pulling one short demon to be exchanging pleasantries. Bloody idiot. Hurry up!
Babe, there's no need to follow me in there. I'll handle it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, hurry up now. Don't waste time.
No, I'll be back.
Stand on, you go there and be doing goodbye hug and goodbye kiss.
Kalio, why did you show up at my house like that? You know, I hate it when people come uninvited or getting a call from me.
Excuse me, my people?
Kalio, we are not married. And on that note, you need to respect my boundaries.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe we're having this conversation. Like, you were supposed to be apologizing for standing me up last night.
But I told you. I told you something important came up and I had a flat battery.
Rumi, I love you so much. And I don't expect you to lie to me. Look, I want you to be more committed to this relationship than this.
Are you by any chance saying I'm lying to you?
Well, not exactly, but I...
Kalio! Very selfish human being.
What? Selfish because I asked you to be committed to our relationship?
Kalio, it is always about you. You putting all the efforts in this relationship. And what do I do? Nothing. Because it's you.
Well, you know that is the truth. And if your conscience judges you right, you will say that I have been trying my best to live up to my expectations.
So what have I been doing all this while? What have I been doing all this while? You know what? I am tired.
Tired? Tired of what?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Kalio, I am done with this relationship. I am done! Rubbish.
Okay, babe, come, babe. Babe!
I don't know why you're following me.
What are you
I
saying?
have told you I am done.
Come on, babe,
I don't
come
want. I'm done.
You've been waiting out here? You're a taxi driver.
Yeah.
Heart is heavy, night is cold.
Babe.
Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain. Lonely whispers call your name. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Promises like fragile glass, shattered.
This is so beautiful and so big. Wow.
It's big, right?
Yes.
Well, it's just one of my places here in Lagos. It's not the biggest.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'll take you to one on Lekki. It's bigger than this.
I can't wait for you to show me around this town.
Yeah. I'll show you around.
Okay. Would you like me to dance for you and twerk for you? Just like this. Nice. And twerk for you like this.
That'll be very nice.
Do you like it?
I think I would like it. Okay. Why don't you twerk on me now?
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bumi, I can't believe that Melvin has got so much grip on you right now.
I can't believe it myself.
Innocent Kalio. Yeah. So tell me, where is Melvin?
He drove back to Lagos.
He drove back to Lagos? Wow. So that means you'll be going there to see him really soon?
No.
No?
He's not picking my calls. I think he's still angry at me. I don't know what to do, babe. I don't know.
Wow. Do you know, you don't fall in love. Yes.
I beg.
You don't fall in love, just accept it.
Kalio,
Yeah?
you shouldn't just leave that desk unattended like that. You need a secretary. I just walked in and no one stopped me.
Well, not now that companies are downsizing.
Are they?
Yes. I mean, most big names in the industry are tilting towards AI efficiency than human.
Come off it, Kalio. I know you. You're using AI efficiency to just dodge. I know you're still not comfortable with women. That's why you don't want to put any female on that desk.
Michael, a secretary can be any gender, okay? I just think it's not wise as a starter to, start employing people. Especially now that business isn't stable yet.
That I know. Anyways.
What is the truth?
Accommodation. Alpha, you have not said anything about it.
Well, I'm still trying to fix up something. Do you have anywhere?
Oh, really? Now that I think about it, there's this guy staying in an apartment with all furnished, water, light, everything. But I think he's in a hurry to move into his own house. So he still has 3 months left. If you can refund him those 3 months, I'm sure you can move in.
Wow. Amazing.
Yes.
I owe you.
You take it?
Yes.
I'll give him a call.
Please put it through.
Yeah? Can you leave this work now? It's late. Let's go.
You stay in Lagos now?
Well, I moved into Lagos about a month ago to start up my own real estate company.
Okay, I guess I would just have to go to the near hotel to spend the night. His number is... Melvin's number is not always off.
Well, if you wish, I can let you pass the night here. The hotels within here is very expensive, if you must know.
Thank you.
It's fine. This way. Let me show you to your room.
Rain washed away our past mistakes. Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears.
Morning.
Morning.
You ready for work?
Yes. How was your night?
I didn't sleep much.
Oh, yes, I can understand. His number not going yet?
Yeah.
It's alright. I'm almost late. The kitchen is over there. So you'll be helping yourself out for breakfast. Right?
Thank you.
I'll see you on
Rain washed away our past mistakes. Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone.
Hello, babes.
fears. Glimmers of love.
Honestly, I'm telling you, this world is indeed a small place. Who could have thought Kalio of all people?
So tell me, how did he react? Was he angry with you?
He was shocked, but he acted nice.
That guy still loves you.
Honestly, I can't say.
Yeah, he
But
does.
girl, he's looking so good. He's doing well for himself.
And that is good. So what is your plan? Are you coming back since you didn't see Melvin?
I should be coming back, but I would like to wait for a while. I don't know what would have happened to him.
You need to wake up, girl. Nothing happened to him. I mean, he knew he was packing out of the house and he didn't tell you. What do you call that?
I know, but
There is nothing to think about, babe. I know you love Melvin, but I don't think that he really loves you back the same way. And then if you ask me, I will say, come back to Port Harcourt once and for
okay,
all.
fine. I will, but I'll have to wait for Kalio to come back from work.
Heart is heavy, night is cold. Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain. Lonely
Monday morning talking about me while I'm making money.
I can't believe this! Bro! Just hold on. We need to sing.
Of course, man. Eh? Ozeba, 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 Ozeba. Man. Yeah. Bring me, yes.
Yo.
Wine and glasses. We need to celebrate, bro.
Oh my God.
Is this us?
This is mad.
Is this us?
Come here.
Mike, don't scatter town. See, you see that GLE? I'm copying it this month. You see?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Bumi.
Okay, have this. You will join us and have a toast, okay? I'm coming. Oh, it's a good day. Yes. You mean you have joined us to this talk?
Yes.
Okay.
what exactly?
This man right here, this genius, this genius right here, and I just closed the contract worth millions.
I mean, with what celebration?
Of course.
Oh my goodness.
You are the man.
Look, I never knew that this dream was going to be reality someday.
Bro, I told you, patience.
Patience. What is it? Hey, sweetie. Come here. are you?
You're learning.
Bumi, this is my sweetheart, my girlfriend. Baby, the lady I told you about.
Oh, hi. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about everything. You know, life can be crazy at times.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, babe. So, what's up with this deal? You sounded so excited over the phone. You didn't even let me close from home.
As you can see, we're already celebrating.
Okay.
You remember the land at Ibejuleki I told you about?
The 300 plots.
Yes. Exactly. We just sold it, and the man paid cash.
Oh my God, baby, I'm so ready for you.
Thank you.
That's so huge.
Thank you.
That's amazing. Look, apart from that, the man also gave this man here, this genius, also gave him the estate to build a lot of duplexes and also manage it. See, my money too is this. I help me too. No, God.
Of course. Alright, so you want to sing me up?
Yeah, I'll be leaving too.
You?
Follow it, okay?
tipsy.
Yes, I am. Look, I just need some rest and a little bit of massage.
Kalio, stop.
And maybe a hug. Come, hug
Kalio,
me.
stop. You should get some rest. Tomorrow is work.
But boss, I work for nobody, so.
Just look at you. Alcohol is not good for you. I need to take you to your room. Come, let's go.
Don't worry. I can think.
Kalio! Just stay. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Rain washed away our past mistakes. Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of love's light we yearned. In the end, to us it turned. Back together, hearts aligned. Bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now you return. Forever our flames have burned. Back together, hearts aligned. Bleeding love through space.
Yes, come in.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. I woke up without clothes, and that's very unusual of me. Do you have anything to do with that?
Yes, I mean, I had to take off your clothes. You made a mess of yourself.
What?
I had to beat you.
You did what? That's to say that you saw me completely.
Excuse you, is there anything wrong with that?
That's too extreme now. That's too extreme.
Oh, well, I'm sorry I helped you out.
That's not what I'm saying. It's fine. It's fine.
Really? Who's even trying to hide?
Back together, hearts aligned. Bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now you return.
I made you breakfast. It's the only way I can show my appreciation for you to letting me stay in your house, and to also say sorry for what happened last night if you found it very uncomfortable. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Sit.
Okay. Let me just... I also want to say congratulations on your wins.
Thank you.
Oh, you must be joking, bro. Wait, are you really telling me that she got you undressed and bathed you?
How is that funny?
I'm sorry. It's just the way you said it. Look, don't get your hair in a twist now. It's nothing now. She's not a stranger. So what's new there? There's nothing new.
She's not a stranger. But now she's a stranger. Yes, we had a thing in the past, but now we are no longer together.
So, are you telling me you have a problem with your ex seeing your nakedness?
Yes, 100%. Oh, you can actually get undressed in the presence of your ex, right?
With what God has blessed me with, I see no problem. I'm joking.
Look, Michael, there is everything wrong with it, whether you believe it or not. I mean, because she sees access to me the very minute you walk out of that door.
Okay, you sound so serious, but look, I remember the way you were looking at her. You don't look like a man that is over her too. Do I lie?
Not exactly. But things are going well with me now, and I am grateful to God and Joke, so I can't possibly go back to my past.
Look, my friend, your past has come to your present. If you do not tidy up your table and your affairs, she will destroy you and leave you the way she did last time.
She has to leave my house. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
So, how's your day yet? How's work?
blessed.
But just been home. Kalio, I just want to tell you that I'll be leaving for Port Harcourt tomorrow. Thank you so much for your hospitality. I really appreciate it.
Port Harcourt? What's happening in Port Harcourt? You got a job?
Not really. The thing is, Melvin promised to get me a job as soon as I get to Lagos. But since he's nowhere to be found, I need to return back to Port Harcourt.
I want you to stay. I'll ask around and see if they have something good for you.
Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you, I appreciate it.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you!
My man.
Yeah, bro.
So, how's the secretary? She working hard?
Oh, the girl is smart.
She better be. There's no work in Lagos anymore. She wouldn't stop thanking me when I was coming in. Over 100 times. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And yes, speaking of getting jobs,
Yeah.
please, can you help me get a job for Bumi?
You say?
I said, can you help me get a job for Bumi?
Bumi wants a job.
Oh, yes.
But wait, I thought Bumi was supposed to be leaving your house.
Well, I changed my mind.
Why?
She needs help. Oh, come on, man. I get that look on your face. Okay? But you should know that we are not enemies. And I have grown to learn that it's not good to pay evil for evil. Even the Bible says, do not withhold good from people, especially when you have the power to do so.
Thank you very much for the Sunday service, preacher Kalio. It's like you don't understand that this girl is up to something. This is the same woman that left you as a wretched man, with no money, no sympathy, no nothing. Now that your life is going up, now that your life is getting balanced, she's now here. And you say you don't see the plans in there. You don't see the handwriting on the wall.
I didn't tell you she's back into my life. She only needs help.
Okay. Mr. Helper, during this helping stage, where will she be staying?
Michael, don't go there, please.
I was just a boy with dreams and empty pockets. You left me for a shadow with the golden locket. Now you see me shining brighter than your gold. Tell me what's a treasure when your heart is cold. You painted our love in colors that were fading fast. Left me in the rear view of your rich man's past. Now you're at my door with eyes that bleed regret. But some wounds cut deep, they're hard to forget. I was lost and found, but now I'm holding ground. You want back the love that you threw around. Washed away our past mistakes. Now we're standing.
Hey, what's good, Kalio? I'm good, my man. Yeah, I was at your office. You're not coming to work?
Not today, man. I want to have a meal time.
That's good. With Joker, right?
Yeah. What about the job? You got something?
My brother, nothing yet, but soon, sha.
It's alright. Okay, bro. See ya.
Babe, he seems like a very good guy.
Yeah, there are not many good people left. He's one of the few. Mike is a nice guy.
Babe, can I get some money? I want to get few things for myself.
Okay. I'll send money to you.
Do you still have my account?
I still serving my beneficiary.
Leading love through space and
I don't want to ask you how much. I'll just...
Once you left, now you return.
You're so sweet.
Forever our flames have burned.
Yes, sir. The land at Yul is 50 million naira. But if that's not okay, we can actually take it to another one around the way. Yes, sir. It's 20 million naira. Yeah, of course. We can go for inspection tomorrow. Okay, that's fine. Okay, sir. So I'll see you tomorrow then. Okay, bye.
Babe, did you see?
Yeah, I saw the pictures and I know the girl too.
So, what are we going to do about it?
We? Girl, just calm down. Okay, calm down.
This is exactly what I don't like about you. Always calm-headed.
That's why I'm Joker and not you. He needs to explain himself to me.
Like, what kind of explanation do you expect him to give you? Isn't it obvious they have something?
And things are not always as they seem. Just calm down. Everybody deserves an opportunity to explain themselves.
Seriously? Alright. Just wait and see.
But what do you even expect me to do? What do you expect me to do? When a man is ready to leave you, there's nothing you can do. If you like, jump up, jump down, fly, do anything, shout. He is ready to leave. You cannot hold him back. So please, I beg, look, I have my clients to attend to. That's just
whatever.
Yeah.
Ha.
Heart is heavy, night is cold. Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain. Lonely whispers call your name. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Promises like fragile glass, shattered now, they're in the past. Every moment feels the same. Empty rooms, a silent game. Shattered dreams and broken hearts, we drifted far apart. Pieces fall, they're hard to mend. Love that seemed would never end. Pictures fade, they lose their glow. Memories, they come and go. Wishing for a brighter day, when the pain will fade away. Stars above, they seem to cry, reflect the tears that fill my eyes. In the dark, I feel the pain. Echoes of
Are you okay? Anyways, I go to school.
Broken heart, we drifted far apart.
Just something.
Pieces fall, they're hard to
Your food is good, okay?
love that seemed would never end. Stars above, they seem to cry, reflect the tears that fill my eyes. In the dark, I feel the pain, echoes of your sweet refrain. Shattered dreams and broken hearts, drifted far.
Are you okay? That's not true. Did you eat the food I got for you? And moreover, you don't stay awake unless you have office assignment to.
I just told you I'm crying.
Wait, don't tell me this. all about Kalio.
I never said so.
Joke.
You know what? I'd like to be left alone.
Alright. I have office assignment to do. Good night.
Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of love's light we yearned. In the end, to us it turned. Back together, hearts aligned.
Babe, what are you doing here this early? It's past 7 on a Sunday morning. Are you okay?
Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again.
Is everything all right?
What's this?
My goodness. We can talk about this, right?
Talk about what, Kalio? Talk about the fact that I gave you 10 missed calls and sent you 5 messages and got no response, only to find out that you were at a restaurant kissing another girl? Kalio, do you know how hurtful that is?
Oh yes, I know it hurts, but I can explain.
Explain what? Explain that you didn't kiss her or that you didn't spoon feed her. Explain what? How could you even do this? This is the same girl you told me came to sleep over at your place, and now she's your lover, Kalio.
Look, babe, please, just give me
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Give me my phone. I want that girl out of this house today.
Oh, babe, but...
Do you understand me? I want her out of this house today.
Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of love's light we yearned. In the end, to us it turned. Back together.
Look, I'm sorry about that, okay?
No, it's fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I mean, she was there for you when I left, so I don't blame her.
Thank you for understanding, okay?
No, thanks. But I'm back now, so you need to do away with that trash.
I'll need time to do that, Bumi.
Meanwhile, I would have to leave you until you figure out what you want. I mean, how can I be in comparison with that girl? Look, it's up to you to make a decision. What's it going to be?
You see, she hasn't done anything wrong to me. So, cutting off the relationship will be pure wickedness if I do.
It's more wickedness for you to actually keep 2 ladies. You need to make a decision.
I love you. And I can't trade you for anything. But I certainly know that I will be needing time to do that. I mean, to discharge her.
With bygone fears, glimmers of love's light we yearned. In the end, to us it...
Okay. Where are you going to with bag?
To Kalio's house, of course.
Did he ask you to move in with him? Because with this luggage, I don't think it's for the weekend.
And you can't imagine that the girl you saw him with last night is actually living with him. You can't even imagine. Somebody he told me was going to spend just 1 night is actually living with him.
This is serious, so why are you going with luggage?
My dear, that girl has to leave. So for her to leave, I need to be there.
Babe, I don't know what to say, but this is a little bit extreme if you ask me.
Well, my darling Anne, I did not ask you. So please, shut it.
Okay. Do you want me to help you?
No, thank you. Don't help me. It's fine. want me to stay here and allow another girl to come and reap where she did not sow. My own man. Ha! Yeah, thank you so much.
Bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now you return. Forever our flames have healed our spirits soar. Never lonely anymore.
Baby, what's going on?
What does it look like?
Holding hands, touch the sky.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Listen to me, please. Listen to me.
Listen to what? Listen to what, Kalio? I've told you that she's leaving this house today.
And leave to where? Leave to where? Look, I have been very calm with you. Don't make me lose it.
And if I make you lose it, what will you do? Who is talking? What is going to happen?
Stop.
Answer me, what will happen? What will happen? Can you leave me alone?
Hey, Joke. Babe. Okay. You know what? Just go back home. I will come to see you today.
And me? Go back to where?
He said you should leave. Go now.
Are you mad? Am I talking to you?
He said you should
leave
go.
Where?
Go.
Can you leave me alone? I'm going inside. What do you mean by I should leave? Can you leave me alone?
Okay, come.
Can you ask me to go? She's supposed to be the one to go, not me. Why are you doing this?
Thoughts of you, they take their hold. Tears, they fall like autumn rain.
What do I do now? What do I do?
Just take things easy.
Oh God. Can you chase me out of his house because of another woman? Where do you want me to start from?
Don't say that. You're a fine girl. There are a lot of men out there that will kill you.
Oh God, I can't do. I can't take this.
I was not in support of you going to his house with your luggage.
What was I supposed to do?
My baby girl. Come to cry with you.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was going to come to this point. I told you don't let that lady stay in your house. You wouldn't hear me. You don't used to hear word.
But there was no way I was going to let her stay in the hotel. She's someone I had a thing for.
Have a thing for, by the way. Have.
Whatever. But I wasn't going to let her stay in the hotel.
Look, do you know the mess you have caused right now? No, do you know the mess you have caused right now?
I know. I don't even know how to face Joke.
You just have to see her and open up to her now and tell her the truth.
And Bumi?
You're still talking this, Bumi? No, you're still talking this, Bumi. Let her get out now.
That will not be possible, my brother. Why?
Why? Why, you ask me, my friend? This is a woman that came to the city to look for her own fiance. Now the fiance has kurukere inside the waka. She now comes back to you, who she left as a pauper. Oh, so you option. Wait, are you thinking at all? No, are you thinking?
Yes, I am thinking. But I am not thinking towards that light. Yes. The fact is, I love her. So every other thing right now doesn't really make sense to me. Do you get it?
Hi. You know when they used to tell me about love potion, I used to think it's not true. You must have drank some. Anyways, what I think you should do right now is just let Joke go. Then you face your Bumi squarely, since it's Bumi that you're in love with.
That's another wahala.
That's another wahala.
So hard to do. Yes, because Joke has been there, all active in my life, all round supportive. Yes, I may not be fully into her, I mean emotionally, but I can't still deny the fact that I feel a thing for her.
Kyle, you need to just weigh out your options and balance this thing out. Choose one. You can't live your life like this now. And I'm not going to be here to babysit you off another downfall, another heartbreak.
How long have I known you? Have I ever introduced a man to you as my boyfriend?
No.
And this first time, did I actually try? You know, I thought I was being careful. Little did I know that you could never be too careful with men. They would always surprise you.
Look, Kalio likes you. That I can assure you.
Exactly what you said the first time. And what did I get? Heartbreak.
Look, the man is going through a lot of emotional trauma. I don't blame him from the stuff he's telling me. I don't know how he's fighting his own demons. What I can assure you is you he wants.
What are you even saying?
I'm saying you need to give him some more time. He needs time to sort himself out, you know, get his head in the right place.
Did he put you up to this?
No, how can you say that, Joke? How long have we been friends? I'm just here being a friend that understands when a man is going through his highs and lows, when a man is going through errors and, you know, just standing by him. Look, my father always said, if it's not broken, don't fix it. If the man is not calling it quits, don't assume.
Hold on, Mike. Are you by chance suggesting that I sit down here and wait for a man who cheated on me like a piece of garbage? Is that what you're saying? Mike, take a good look at me. I'm a full-grown woman. A woman with values and self-worth. And you expect me to just sit down here?
Kalio loves you!
Rain washed away our past mistakes. Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again.
I'm very serious. He's my friend. He's told me.
Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of loves like we yearned. In the end, to us it turned. Back together, hearts aligned. Bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now you return.
Come in. Melvin! Melvin! Melvin, where did you go?
Who is he and what is he doing here?
I thought you told me you broke up with him.
Who is he? Wait. Oh, this face. I remember. The guy that drove you out the day you broke up with me, right?
He's the person I came to see in Lagos. The one I told you lived here.
I see. So what is he doing in my house?
You have an issue with that?
Young man, please leave.
Well, I am not leaving without her. Me, go inside, carry your things, come on with you.
Melvin, you need to leave because I am not going anywhere with you.
We're leaving now. Go inside and pick your things up. Let's leave.
Mister, please, can you leave this place?
Okay, don't talk to me like that, okay? I came to carry my girlfriend and don't interfere with it.
I will call the security on you if you don't leave.
Melvin, leave.
Bumi! Take him out!
Melvin, go. Melvin, you need to leave.
Take him out!
Melvin, you need to leave. Leave.
Rain washed away our past mistakes. Now we stand in broken wakes. I held you close despite the pain. Found each other once again. Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of loves like we yearned. In In the end, to us it turned back together, hearts aligned, bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now you return. Forever our flames have burned.
No, Kalio, you can't be serious. You're a shadow of yourself, brother. You remember why you called me from Port Harcourt? Huh? You don't remember, right? Look at you now. I don't even recognize you. This is a big distraction. This Bumi's matter is even giving me a migraine. She's a big distraction to your life, and it's very clear.
Yes, I can agree with you. It's a big distraction.
Big? This is more than big. This is mighty distraction. This is a mighty distraction now. Look, like my father used to say, there comes a time in a man's life where you need to make decisions. You need to know whether you're going forward or you're going backwards. No one can make these decisions for you. Just you. Just you, my friend.
Michael.
Yeah?
I love Bumi. Funny enough.
Funny enough, I don't know whether I should give you my knuckles or I should just stuff this cushion in your nonsense mouth. Look, where Kalio? Where's my friend gone? Where has my friend gone? Kalio, look at you yourself. You say you love her. You love her? All right, let me tell you this. As your friend, she does not love you. I'm sorry, brother, but it's the truth. She does not. Look at how you've been doing before this Bumi matter entered. Okay, let's even go financial. Let's not look like it's love. Look at Joke's situation. How many times has Joke asked you for money? No, you tell me. Has Joke asked you for, she wants to do her hair, she wants to do her weave. She's independent. But no, let's go to Madam Bumi's side. We know how much loss financially you have lost on top of that Bumi. You still even owe me 200,000 off the last Valentine necklace that you bought for her. Yes, have you paid me? You look at, have you paid me? Look, you need to wake up and smell the coffee. The jockey you're even talking about, is she not the one that is giving you a job now? No, tell me, is it me that gave you a job? Is it not she that is doing it? So this is clear. I don't know why you're the only one that is not getting it.
Remember nights of sorrow and tears. Now they fade with bygone fears. Glimmers of love's light we earned. In the end, to us it turned back together.
How you take find me?
Sister, I beg.
What did they do for Lagos?
Go pack your things, come make we dey go.
Want to say what happened?
Melvin dey find you, he won't kill you. So better come make we dey go.
Melvin dey find me. What did I do, Melvin?
Go explain for road now, make we just dey go.
Hello. Who is she?
She's my sister.
Okay, but I'm sorry she can't stay here.
Who wants to stay here before? Do now, make we dey go. Sorry, she cannot stay here.
Hearts alive, bleeding love through space and time. Once you left, now
You mean say you've been there with him all this while?
All the love messages where they send give am, all the alerts, all the money where they send give man, and they see all of them.
Bumi. You mean say your mama dey here dey suffer? You dey carry money go give man wey never marry you.
Mama.
Hey.
No be that one even pay me pass so.
Mama, this boy no love him at all. And he no get anything. Mama, now look how who this boy they do. He go say he get business meeting. He do this one. He no get. Now sister Bumi they found the lifestyle.
Person where they born for job. Can't go Jerry, can't they misbehave, they form a jebota. Want to say she rent house for that place.
So Bumi, this one no get anything. You no get shingbai. Eh? Hey.
But how you take see in car collect?
It's inside the door like you.
Ha! I get for car when you come car your house, come confront you. So I hear everything where they talk. Now you say, make I take this car guide though. As unto say make we use for all the things where you don't do sister now.
Correct me.
And Mama, we gotta sell that cow.
Before we come, we go sell her now. We go sell her strata.
And we make sister recover some of her money. I mean, Steph, I need money.
We need money. No, be say you don't need to tell us. Everybody, we need the money. We go sell her. Sharp picking. I me born you, eh? I be your mama. Rubbish.
We need bobo isha.
Hello? Your car is with me and my sister in Port Harcourt. Come and collect it.
Bobby, if they born you where? Your mama born you where? You know say you get liver. Make you come on Akaba for Port Harcourt here. Make you treat your fuck up. Rubbish.
I know what is good for me. That is why I took that car. And if you want it, come and collect it. Come and ask, come collect them.
Melvin, I would advise you don't come to Port Harcourt for your own good.
I just want to see talk with love voice. Mama, we gotta sell that car.
We go sell land. You don't need to talk am again. We go sell land straight. We go sell land.
Ejike, I'm sorry, please listen to me.
What do you want me to listen to?
Everything. I'm sorry for everything, please.
You're sorry. You're sorry and it took you this long to say it. You're sorry.
I waited to make sure she's gone for good.
And if she didn't leave? How could you even disrespect me like that? How could you, Kalio?
Just let me in so we can talk.
Whatever you want to say it here.
I'm sorry. I want us back. I want us together. Please.
What are you doing here? What pen? You came to collect your pen. You get my own house. You get my phone or use my two daughters and go scot free.
Everybody echo. Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. I come from Port Harcourt. Who goes there? Port Harcourt. Feel the beat. Port Harcourt. Market stalls clash with melodies. Vendors crying out like symphonies. In the crowd, find your own identity. Port Harcourt soul brings serenity. Hands in the air, let's feel the flow. City lights alive, they're starting to glow. From the harbor to the streets we grow. Port Harcourt spirit will always show. Everybody echo, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, I come from Port Harcourt. Who goes there? Port Harcourt. Feel the beat, Port Harcourt. Concrete jungle, hot like steel. Every corner got a story to reveal. Dust settles but we never stand still. Port Harcourt vibes, we keep it real. Everybody echo, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, I come from Port Harcourt. Who goes there? Port Harcourt. Feel the beat, Port Harcourt. Everybody echo, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, I come from Port Harcourt. Who goes there?